In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Meta AI in Messenger. To get started, make sure that your Messenger app is up to date, as Meta AI only works on the latest versions. This means having at least version 456 on Android or version 446 on iOS. So let's first check for updates. Open up your Google Play Store if you're on Android or the Apple App Store if you're on iPhone. Find the Messenger app by typing Messenger into the search bar. If you see an update button next to it, go ahead and tap it to install the latest version. Now that we have the updated version, let's explore how to start a chat with Meta AI. There are two convenient methods for this. The first option is a direct chat. Open your Messenger app and tap the search bar right at the top. Type in Meta AI, and when the official Meta AI profile with a blue-purple gradient icon appears, tap on it. Once you're in the chat, feel free to ask away. You might say, "What's a good birthday message for my friend?" Or prompt it with, "Summarize my chat with Anna." The second option is perfect for group conversations. Simply open any group chat you're part of and type at Meta AI followed by your message. For instance, you could request at Meta AI suggest dinner spots near Makati. The cool part, everyone in the group will see the AI's helpful response. Moving on to generating AI images, Meta has made this feature incredibly easy to use. Just type imagine followed by your creative idea or description. Try something like, "Imagine a cozy coffee shop at sunset." After a few moments, the image will appear right in your chat. You can tap on it to download, share, or even remix it to suit your style. Meta AI is also a fantastic tool for seeking answers to virtually anything. Ask it to lighten the mood with a joke, such as, "Tell me a joke about dogs." For more factual inquiries, you could ask, "Who won the 2024 NBA Finals?" Whether it's for fun, information, productivity, or creativity, Meta AI is a versatile helper. In certain regions, Meta AI even offers smart replies and summaries. You might see suggested responses like "yes," "sounds good," or "tell me more." It can also provide summaries, which is a great way to catch up on what's been discussed in your group chats. Lastly, if you prefer not to use Meta AI, you have the option to toggle it on or off. Simply navigate to your Messenger settings as go to AI features and switch off Meta AI. And don't worry, if you change your mind, you can always toggle it back on whenever you like. With these straightforward steps, using Meta AI in Messenger becomes a seamless part of your day-to-day interactions.